Looking for the best 20V cordless drill that balances power, durability, and price, but without overpaying? In today's video, we're breaking down some of the best 20V cordless drills for the money based on real-world use, features, and what consumer reviews consistently point out. If you're a DIYer, homeowner, or someone who just wants a reliable drill that gets the job done, you're in the right place. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know which drill fits your needs best. Number 1. DEWALT DCD770-1C2 20V Cordless Drill. The DEWALT DCD770-1C2 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver Kit is designed for solid everyday performance with a focus on portability and control. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easier to work in tight or overhead spaces, especially during longer projects. This drill delivers up to 300 unit watts out, which is more than enough for most drilling and fastening tasks around the home or job site. The 2-speed transmission, ranging from 0 to 450 and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, gives you flexibility, lower speed for driving screws and higher speed for drilling. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck holds bits securely, helping maintain accuracy while working in wood, metal, or plastic. An ergonomic handle improves grip and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The kit includes two 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a durable carrying bag, making it convenient for both home and mobile use. Backed by DEWALT's 3-year limited warranty, this drill is often mentioned in consumer reviews as a strong value option in the 20V category. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER LD1 20VA 20V Cordless Drill. The BLACK+DECKER LD1 20VA 20V Cordless Drill is a popular choice for homeowners and light DIY projects. Powered by a 20V Max lithium-ion battery, it holds a charge well and is ready when you need it, even after long periods of storage. With a maximum speed of 750 revolutions per minute and up to 300 inch-pounds of torque, it handles basic drilling and screw-driving tasks with ease. The 24-position clutch helps prevent overdriving and stripped screws, which is especially helpful for beginners. Weighing just over 3 pounds, this drill is easy to handle, and the soft grip handle adds comfort during longer tasks. It also comes with a 30-piece accessory kit, including drill bits and driver bits for common household jobs. The battery is part of BLACK+DECKER's 20V Max Power Connect system, meaning it works with other compatible tools in the lineup. 4. Furniture assembly, shelf mounting, and general home repairs, this drill offers dependable performance at a reasonable price. Number 3. DEKO Pro 20V Cordless Drill. The DEKO Pro 20V Cordless Drill is an all-in-one kit aimed at DIYers who want versatility right out of the box. It features a 20V lithium-ion battery and a lightweight design weighing around 2.5 pounds, which helps reduce fatigue. With dual variable speeds of 0 to 350 and 0 to 1,350 revolutions per minute, plus 18+1 torque settings, it adapts well to drilling and screw driving in wood, plastic, and light metal. The compact size makes it easier to control, especially in tight spaces. This kit includes a wide range of accessories such as drill bits, screwdriver bits, nut drivers, and a magnetic bit holder, so you can start working right away without buying extras. Built with a combination of metal and durable plastic components, the DEKO Pro drill focuses on value and convenience for home improvement projects. It's often considered a practical option for users looking for a budget-friendly 20V cordless drill with plenty of included tools. Number 4. AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill. The AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill is designed for light-duty tasks like furniture assembly and basic home repairs. It features a 15+1 position clutch and delivers up to 280 inch-pounds of torque, offering controlled performance for common materials. The variable speed motor operates up to 550 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for precise screw driving. A built-in battery level indicator helps you keep track of remaining power during use. Weighing around 2.5 pounds, this drill is compact and easy to maneuver. The soft rubber grip improves comfort, and the built-in LED light helps when working in dim areas. The kit Includes multiple drill and driver bits, a flexible shaft, and an extension bar, making it a convenient starter set. Keep in mind this model is not recommended for concrete or masonry, and it works only with AVID power batteries. Number 5. DEWALT DCD777D 120V Cordless Drill. The DEWALT DCD777D 120V Max Cordless Drill/Driver is built for users who want efficiency and longer runtime. It features a brushless motor which helps improve battery life and overall durability compared to brush models. With a compact 7.6-inch length, it's easier to handle in confined spaces. The 2-speed transmission and single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provide versatility for drilling and fastening tasks. An integrated LED light with a 20-second delay improves visibility in darker work areas. This drill delivers up to 340 unit watts out, making it suitable for demanding DIY tasks and regular professional use. The kit includes a 20V Max XR 2.0 Ah battery, charger, belt hook, and kit bag, offering a complete setup right out of the box. So there you have it, 5 solid options if you're searching for the best 20V cordless drill for the money. Each model offers different strengths, whether you prioritize power, accessories, lightweight design, or long-term reliability. If you want to see updated pricing or read more user feedback, be sure to check the product links on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. See you in the next one.